Hi everyone, and welcome to another fun crafting episode of the Marvelous Madison Moo. Madison's Grammy stopped by today to help us make this super cute turkey craft. To make this craft, you'll need just a few items. Construction paper, any colors will do. Craft glue, scissors, googly eyes, and a clothespin. To save time today, we went ahead and pre-cut the construction paper items that you'll need for the turkey. But don't worry, we'll show you each one. You'll want to create 4 feathers. 3 to 4 inches for each one will do just fine, and that'll give you a little room to write a phrase or something that you'd like to if you decide to do that. You'll also want to create a circle for the turkey face. Mine was about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, but you can make yours a little bigger or smaller if you'd like. And then you'll also want to create a half circle, kind of like a sun rising. And that for me was 4 inches by 2 inches at the highest point. So 4 inches width by 2 inches height. All right, are you ready to get started?
Okay, I am.
All right. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our half circle and put it in front of us, kind of like we're looking at a sunset. So like the sunset, we're gonna start with our feathers and add a little color to that sunset. And we're gonna put glue only on the very bottom of our feathers, just whatever is gonna overlap our sun.
Just please help me open it.
Absolutely.
No,
And
Grandma will help me.
And you can use whatever colors that you want for your feathers. There is nothing wrong with a neon pink or a green or even a zebra striped turkey in my book. For us, we chose to use red and orange just to make it a little bit more fall festive.
Oh.
And these turkeys,
Yeah, that's original turkey.
Yeah.
Do we have to put it on?
Yep, you're gonna put your feathers on just kind of like you're putting some colors in on that sunset.
See, like I got.
And I'll show you what that looks like here in just a second. And there's no wrong way to put these on. You can put them on closer to the bottom or more towards the top. This is what mine looked like. And you can see just kind of like a sunrise or a flower on the back. You've got those little feathers going there for you. Perfect. So once we have the feathers ready to go, we're gonna start on the turkey face. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our turkey face and we're gonna peel off our little googly eyes. And we're gonna add just a dab of glue on the bottom of each eye.
You know what?
What?
I can just stick them on top. Just kidding, I don't need this. I can't.
And then we're gonna put the little eyes on our turkey. And again, it doesn't have to be absolutely centered or perfect. We're just having fun. That's the great thing about googly eyes.
I'm gonna give him like a kind of festive look.
I love it.
Yeah, he's gonna have a nice little. He's not gonna have some nice.
Awesome job, Madison.
And once we're done with the eyes, the next thing that we'll do is we'll take a little more glue and put on his mouth.
That's the beak. Or is that the nose? Do they ever have noses?
You know, that's a good question. I don't know too much about turkeys' noses, to be honest with you. But you're right, this is supposed to be a beak, kind of like a little mouth here.
Huh.
How's
I
your
think they
mouth?
look like they're smiling.
That's right.
Happy Thanksgiving turkeys.
Very good, Madison. And once we get our mouth on, we're almost done. Now the only thing we have left to do is to glue the back and the head to our clothespins. And with the clothespins, we're gonna glue it so that the back and the head are at the very top. So you can see at the bottom I can pinch. We're gonna glue the face on this side and the feathers on that side. So the first thing that we're gonna do is put a little glue down on our clothespin. And then we're gonna go ahead and attach the face. Okay, so in order to put the back, we're just gonna put a little glue on the clothespin, and then we're gonna clamp it like that. And you wanna let it dry for probably about 30 minutes. But once it's all done, you'll either be able to stand him up or clip him to that napkin. And that's our turkey craft.
Thank you, because mine actually looks like a festival light away, a real festival.
It is a
If I
beautiful
could make
turkey
it,
you've created.
well, I would
Madison.
put some purple glue right here to make it look like it has some paint on its face and make it look very cute, purple.
That's the great thing about this craft. You can use paints, you can
She's
use
orange,
all
red, or
glitter, you
yellow,
can use
white.
all sorts of things to make your turkey look more personalized.
That's right. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to
I
like.
finally standed up the turkey, everyone.
That's right.
Oh, good job, Madison.
All right, and make sure that you like and subscribe to see more fun craft videos like this one. Thanks everyone for watching.
Bye-bye.
Have a great fall. Bye.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Mm.